Hey guys, my name is Jeff, and today I'm standing in front of the Maserati GT2 Stradale, which is a road-going version of the MC20 race car, which has a very important standing in the current Fanatec race car series. Now, as we take a look at this car, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. You can see that this exterior matte finish has a nice sort of tone as you look through it. You can see the paint changing in the sun, but more importantly is just how aggressive this car looks. Now, look at all of the extra aero. What you're looking at there adds a total of 800 pounds of downforce. So it's safe to say that whether you want to take this on the road or on the track, this thing is going to handle phenomenally. Now, taking a look at the front here, we actually have this dry carbon fiber that runs along the front of the car. You can see the Maserati Trident here up front, and of course, all of these louvers on the hood. Now, the really cool part about all of this is the fact that it's all functional. You can see all of the air that flows through here. As we come around to the side of the vehicle, we actually have these beautiful forged wheels. You can see the optional carbon ceramic brakes underneath there that are absolutely massive, center lock wheels, and we have these vents up here that actually help to get the turbulent air out of the wheel well. Now, as we move down, we do get a special GT2 Stradale badge that is gorgeous. We come around to the interior, we can see our carbon fiber roof, but on the inside, it is all alcantara, which helps get rid of a lot of the reflections that you would have and you don't want while you're racing. You do get a new Corsa Evo drive mode that is going to be specific to the GT2 Stradale, and it's important to note the new bucket seats that are in this car as well. They're going to be two different sizes. They're, of course, a little bit lighter. The car as a whole is about 60 kilograms lighter total, and obviously a lot of that is due to all of the carbon fiber. Now, as we take a look at the back of the car, there's of course horsepower improvements. You can see here we have these massive carbon fiber vents that helps get more air into that Nettuno twin turbocharged V6, which now produces 631 horsepower in a mid-mounted position. Here in the back, we have a little bit of a swan neck mounted rear wing. Of course, it is finished in carbon fiber. And if you take a look at the back, we do have a little bit of a ducktail spoiler. Of course, those iconic MC20 taillights and even some more carbon fiber diffuser to help get the turbulent air out from underneath the car. So there you have it. That is a quick look at the gorgeous GT2 Stradale, which is an incredible alternative to the MC20 and what is one of the coolest mid-engine supercars that you can buy today. So with that, that's going to be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it and could leave me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. Feel free to comment down below and let me know what you think about this awesome GT2 Stradale. And of course, make sure you get subscribed for future content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.